Last one, and it's actually not that bad. Okay, it's actually very, very simple. It's actually pretty similar. Not just simple, but it's very, very similar. So let's actually look at this. Okay, notice this and this, right? A plus B becomes A plus B squared because you have two of them. Same thing with A minus B. The key to this is this, right? You can still do the magic X and then recognize that they're the same numbers, you're good to go. This is quick because if there's no number next to X squared, boom, you're done. So here 49 and then 14, well, it's 7 and 7. So it's X plus 7 and then X plus 7, okay? What I would recommend is that if there's a number next to X squared and you can't factor anything out, just do the magic X and then expand, okay? They teach you tricks here. Don't even worry about the tricks because the key to this is if you know how to do the magic X, it's actually not that bad, okay? Let's do this one real quick. This is easy, okay? 16 and 8, well, it's negative 4 and, negative 8. Negative 4 and negative 4, so it's X minus 4, or X minus 4 squared. Boom, or boom, you're good. Let's do the other one in a separate sheet of paper. 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. Okay, 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. Okay, magic X. 36 on the top, 12 on the bottom, because remember we multiply the ends. 6 and 6. So guess what? We expand the middle now. 4x squared plus 6x plus 6x plus 9. Group up two at a time to see what we can take out. Here I can take out a 2 and an x. 2x plus 3. You're going to recognize you can take out a 3 from here too. 2x plus 3. Okay, these are the same. So guess what? 2x plus 3 here. Another 2x plus 3 because of this and this. Or you can also say 2x plus 3 squared. Boom or boom. We got them both. Not terrible. Okay, not terrible at all. Okay, so get this example. Sasha's got a tech store and needs cylindrical containers to pack her voice-activated speakers. A package containing masks makes 2 different cylindrical containers. Both are 3 inches high. The volume information is given. This volume is 3 pi x squared. This one is pi times basically the area of the circle cubed. Okay, so here we go. We need to figure out here. How much greater is the radius from one than the other? So we find basically the difference. Okay, so for this one here, notice how we can take out a 3 pi x squared, or rather a 3 pi. Okay, so we divide both sides by 3 pi. So we have now x squared plus 10x plus 25. Pretty much at this point, x plus 5 squared. Okay, so now we find the difference between the two. X plus 5 minus x is 5. It's basically just 5 inches greater. Okay, so here we go. Let's focus on this now here. Okay, notice how I can take out a 3. So I have 3 pi, okay, on 9x squared plus 6x plus 1. Okay, when I do the magic X ordeal, 9 on the top and then 6 on the bottom, that's 3 and 3. Okay, so now I've got in this case 9x squared plus 3x, close it, plus, and then 3x plus 1. I can take out a 3 and an x from here, 3x plus 1. The other one, I can only take out a 1. Okay, so now I'm left with 3x plus 1 squared is what it'll all factor out to. And in this case, if you want to be technical, it's 1/3 bigger. Because when I subtract 1 divided by 3, I get 1/3. Okay, for that there. Okay, it's not that bad. Not that bad at all. Okay, last examples for the a squared minus b squared. If you can square both of those terms, it becomes plus minus automatically. Okay, notice this, x squared minus 9, you can square both of these, boop, we got it. How about this one here? Boop, we got it. Let's look at this example here. X squared minus 64, what's the square root of x squared? Well, it's gonna be x. Plus and minus, what's the square root of 64? 8. Boop, we did it. How about these? What's the square root of 9? 3 and an x, because I can square root x squared. And then plus minus, what's the square root of 100? Well, it's 10. Boop, we did it. This one here a little bit different, because when we need to recognize this, we need to see what we can take out first before we do any magic x's. Let's do part A first. And I'm going to do that on a separate sheet of paper. 4x cubed plus 24x squared plus 36x. Here we go. Okay, we'll have to move this here. Okay, 4x cubed, oop, that's not what I wanted. 4x cubed plus 24x squared. So 4x cubed plus 4x squared plus 36x. I can divide everything by 4, okay? And an x. So I took that out. So it's going to be x squared plus 6x plus what looks to be 9. Yes. When I do the magic x, 9 on the top, 6 on the bottom, it's 3 and 3. So guess what? 4x, x plus 3, and then x plus 3. There you go. All there is to it for that there, okay? Last one we can actually do on here. I can actually divide both of those by what looks to be 2, okay? So just 2, 25x squared minus 16y squared, and we can square both of these. So it's 5x minus 4y, and then 5x plus 4y. There you go. All there is to it, okay? That's going to cover this video, actually. Guess what? Follow this along. It's not a hard lesson. You need to understand how to do this. Practice makes perfect. Okay, good luck. That covers all of chapter 7. Here we go.